5 phrases that reveal a weak mindset in men. We all speak every single day, but have you ever stopped to think? Are your words building your strength or quietly weakening you? Often, the phrases we repeat reveal our mindset. They expose whether we take responsibility, whether we are growing, or whether we are stuck in excuses. Today, we're going to break down 5 common phrases that reflect a weak mindset, and more importantly, how to replace them with stronger thinking. Because remember, your words shape your thoughts, and your thoughts shape your life. 1. I had no choice. This is one of the most dangerous phrases a person can say. On the surface, it sounds harmless. Sometimes situations feel overwhelming. But when you say, I had no choice, what you're really doing is giving away your power. In almost every situation, there is a choice. It may not be comfortable. It may not be easy, but there is always a response you control. When you say you had no choice, you avoid responsibility, justify poor decisions, become passive instead of proactive. Strong individuals understand that while they can't control everything that happens to them, they can control how they respond. Growth begins the moment you say, this is my responsibility. Instead of saying, I had no choice, say, I chose this, and I will learn from it. That shift alone builds strength. 2. That's not for me. This phrase limits your potential before you even try. How many dreams have died because someone decided something wasn't for them? A new career, fitness goal, a leadership opportunity, a skill. When you say, that's not for me, you're placing a ceiling over your own growth. Every skill is learned. Every confident person was once insecure. Every strong man was once inexperienced. Growth requires discomfort. It requires trying things that feel unfamiliar. If you immediately reject opportunities, you remain exactly where you are. Replace this phrase with, I don't know how yet, but I can learn. That one word, yet, changes everything. 3. I wasn't wrong. Ego is the enemy of growth. When someone refuses to admit they were wrong, they protect their pride but destroy their progress. Mistakes are not weakness. Denying them is. The strongest individuals are those who can say, I made a mistake. I misjudged that. I need to improve. When you accept responsibility for your errors, you gain wisdom. When you defend every action, you remain stuck. Think about it. If you are never wrong, you never need to improve. And if you never improve, you never grow. Real strength is humility. 4. I don't need to look into it. This phrase reveals laziness of thought. In today's world, information is everywhere. But wisdom requires curiosity. Strong thinkers question things. They research, they analyze, they seek understanding. When you refuse to look deeper, you accept surface-level thinking. And surface-level thinking leads to shallow decisions. Whether it's improving your career, your finances, your relationships, or your health, growth requires effort. Saying, I don't need to look into it, is often just a way to avoid responsibility. Replace it with, let me understand this better. Curiosity is power. 5. I don't care what people think. At first glance, this sounds confident. It sounds bold. But often, it hides insecurity. There's a difference between not being controlled by opinions and completely ignoring feedback. Strong individuals listen. They evaluate. They filter criticism. They grow from it. If you genuinely don't care about anyone's perspective, you risk becoming arrogant and disconnected. Empathy and awareness are strengths, not weaknesses. Instead of saying, I don't care what people think, say, I will listen, but I will decide what aligns with my values. That is true confidence. Why words matter. Your language programs your brain. The phrases you repeat become your beliefs. Your beliefs shape your behavior, and your behavior shapes your destiny. A weak mindset hides behind excuses, ego, and avoidance. A strong mindset embraces responsibility, humility, curiosity, and awareness. The difference between an average life and an extraordinary one often begins with something simple: the words you choose to speak. Final thoughts. Change your words. Change your identity. If you want to become stronger mentally and emotionally, start with this. Own your choices. Admit your mistakes. Stay curious. Remain teachable. Listen without losing yourself. The world doesn't need more loud voices. It needs more disciplined minds. The next time you're about to say one of these limiting phrases, pause. Ask yourself, is this empowering me or weakening me?